Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Adobe Firefly login problems, Creative Cloud errors step by step clearly. If you're experiencing login problems with Adobe Firefly, you're not alone. First, ensure that your internet connection is stable. Open your web browser and navigate to the Adobe Firefly login page. Check if Adobe's servers are operational by visiting their status page. If the servers are down, you'll need to wait until they are back online. Clear your browser's cache and cookies to remove any potential conflicts. After clearing the cache, restart your browser. Try logging in again with your Adobe ID and password. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions to reset your password. Ensure that you're using the correct email address associated with your Adobe account. If you're still having trouble, disable any browser extensions that may interfere with the login process. Switch to a different browser to see if the issue persists. If the problem continues, try accessing Adobe Firefly from a different device. Check your firewall settings to ensure they are not blocking Adobe services. In some cases, antivirus software can interfere with login attempts, so consider temporarily disabling it. If you are part of an organization, verify with your IT department if there are specific login. As a last resort, uninstall and reinstall the Adobe Creative Cloud app. After reinstalling, attempt to log in again. If you're still experiencing issues, visit the Adobe support page for Adobe. You can also reach out to Adobe support via chat or phone for more personalized help. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step